should be fulfilled. And I beheld when he had opened the sixth seal, and lo, there was a great earthquake.
Away from the walls and roofs into the open. The earthquake will destroy 3/4 of the city's buildings, 17,000 houses. The opera house next to the quayside collapses like a house of cards. But most victims are in the churches. The house of God becomes a place of death. The tremors are felt on 2 continents, recorded over 10 million square kilometers throughout Europe and North Africa.